This is my water presentation on adhesion. The model on the left portrays capillary action. Through adhesion, which is the attraction between molecules of different substances, water is allowed to rise against the force of gravity. The water in the tube with the smaller diameter on the left is higher than the water in the tubes with the bigger diameters because the water molecules are closer to the side of the glass tube, and therefore it rises more easily than if the water was spread across a bigger surface. This action allows plants to get the necessary amount of water for survival through capillary action, which is the rising of water in a plant stem from the roots to the rest of the plant. On the right is a water molecule made up of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. Adhesion is the attraction between molecules of different substances. As an example, if you look at the surface of the water in a glass cylinder or cup at eye level, you can tell that the water dips in slightly at the center. This is a result of the adhesion between water and glass overcoming the cohesion between the water molecules. The water molecules are attracted to the glass, and the water molecules closest to the glass have a stronger attraction than the molecules in the center of the glass cylinder. Therefore, the molecules with the stronger attraction near the side of the glass climb onto the glass, causing some of the water to pull away from the center and resulting in a slight dip of water. Adhesion also causes water to rise in a tube of glass against the force of gravity, which in turn leads to capillary action. This property of water is essential for life because it is the main component of capillary action, which is the action that causes water to travel up the stems of plants to spread water throughout the plant and receive the necessary energy for survival. Capillary action is the force that sucks the water out of the roots of the plant and causes it to rise up the plant stem to replenish the organism. Cohesion, which is the attraction between molecules of the same substance, holds the stream of water together as it rises up the plant stem, and adhesion is the factor that is making it rise. Obviously, water is needed for the survival of a living organism, and without adhesion and capillary action, a plant would not be able to receive water and would die away. For another substance to be adhesive, it would first be helpful for it to be cohesive, which is an attraction between molecules of the same substances. A water molecule is cohesive through hydrogen bonds. Because an oxygen atom has 8 protons and a hydrogen atom only has 1 proton, obviously the oxygen atom has a stronger attraction for electrons, making it have a slight negative charge. The hydrogen atom in turn has a slight positive charge to create balance. The oxygen atoms, which are slightly negative, attract the hydrogen atoms, which are slightly positive, and form hydrogen bonds. Water molecules are not the only substances that are adhesive, but it is easier to be adhesive if there is already a strong cohesive bond, which is shown by hydrogen bonds between oxygen and hydrogen atoms in a water molecule. And this is my presentation on adhesion.